Hi guys, Dorota Palicka, international nail artist and educator here, and look at this huge box. It is unbelievable and I am so excited. It is a parcel sent by SHEIN and there is lots of amazing goodies. I am really excited to open it up because it looks fantastic. I will give you also a search code, so if you want to find those items you go RL42D, and then in the description of this video I give you a discount code as well. So the first item I've gotten here, that's a cute pillows, and I love them because they are different shapes. Okay, that will be cleaned later. So this is just an insert for a pillows, and normally I have those square ones, but they will be fantastic to decorate around the house and do something different. Then we've got another pillow. I am actually, look how well it is packed, like nice and squished, and then it becomes fluffy. There we are. What else we've got? Okay, this one, it will go to my kitchen, and I need to do some unboxing for you in my kitchen as well sometime. So that's kitchen towels, and they are so pretty. Absolutely amazing. Like, I love them so much. Fantastic for a Thanksgiving. Really pretty, not over the top, because I don't like the things which are over the top. So this one is very elegant, really nice, and you get two of them. They actually pretty decent thickness as well. The print is only on the one side, but that really doesn't matter. Like, they look really fantastic in here. You know what, I will go maybe like this, and I will be kind of going down the way. Okay, we've got another stuff. This is gonna be for a salon this time, because I had really old one from the old salon, and that's the doormat. Again, something pretty classy. Something pretty classy in a half a moon shape. There we are. Quite nice and decent size, so the clients will have really nice and dry foot walking into my white tiles. And then we have mattress protector. Okay, this one is a mattress protector. And you know what, guys, I am so happy, because we always pushed with Patrick ourselves as a last. You know, Olivia got her house, like, no, different way. Let's start here first. So Olivia had her bedroom and she got it redone, new bed in, nicely painted, nicely decorated. Then a few months later, or years, she redone her bedroom, new bed, nicely painted, nicely decorated. And then we still slept on that old cracky bed, like the mattress was so sore. Patrick was complaining on, like, you know how it is, you always give it to your child first. So finally, maybe like about 2 weeks ago, is it 2 weeks ago, Patrick? Yeah, so about 2 weeks ago we got a brand new mattress, and it's so nice and comfy. I'm so happy. So with the brand new mattress, the mattress protector comes in. I'm not gonna unfold it completely, but it's a decent size because it's a super king size. Patrick is a big boy and he needs a big bed. So we can put the mattress protector in there. He's laughing now. I'm just gonna put it on the side, but I'm so happy. I can give you also the discount code as well. So the discount code is 25PSH Dorota Palicka 803. But I give you this on the description of the video as well. Now this year is all about the bows, and even the Christmas decorations are gonna be like lots of bows and everything. And look what I've gotten here. So it will be in the middle of our brand new mattress, a cute bowl pillow. Oh, let's get it nice and fluffy. I love how they get into the shape, like after you open them. This one is actually so pretty. Let's keep it here. Another pillow, and that's the pumpkin shaped pillow. Quite nice. Another nice one. Really soft to touch. let's place it here. And then we've got some picnic basket. You know, guys, you know that we are doing lots of photo shoots, and like November time, October time, it's a perfect time for those outdoor photo shoots. And look at this pretty picnic basket. So Patrick, we can go on the romantic picnic with what? A bottle of water. We don't drink actually, guys, you know, because I would say bottle of the wine, but we don't drink much, only on the really big occasions. So some nice fruits and kind of bottle of the water, but it will go with the picnic. No, this one I'm gonna leave it for later. Then I've got some pretty pumpkins, and here. There we are. They actually go here better. Sorry, Patrick. They go better here, like this. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, they could go to my kitchen decor. There we are. And then I will go on this one. What is this one? This one is a frames. Okay. So actually, Patrick, no, there is no chance. Okay. No chance. Okay, so we've got some beautiful frames, really nice pale gold. I love this color of the gold because some golds aren't that nice, but this gold is actually a perfect one. Really delicate frame, and we are going to use it for a photography studio because Patrick handmade the fireplace. Guys, I need to show you the studio like as well. He made he handmade fireplace with beautiful decor, like and all sorts of different things. So that is in a salon, and then on top of this fireplace we want to hang in those beautiful pictures, and then my masterpiece. I left the best for the end. So nice and gentle, because it, I hope, is full, like, and it's not cracked. You know, always when you're getting, oh yes, oh my goodness, one piece, stay there, and the second part of it, oh my goodness, yes, I love it so much. So we've got this amazing vase, and it's so pretty. I love it so much. Look at the shape of it. It's wow, like really, really wow. And the color of the gold, so luxury, so beautiful. And then you've got the lid for it. So once it's like, if you don't have flowers, you can keep it the lid on top of it. And then if you put the flowers, you just keep it on the side as a decor. And I've got some autumny flowers here. I'm just gonna open them. I mean, obviously to this one I would fill it up something pretty elegant. Maybe some orchids, lilies, or basically a real flowers would be really nice, but also fantastic for a Christmas statement. Let me see those flowers. You have to always fluff them up. Olivia, correct me on another word, because I tend to say, can you unfluff the flowers, or can you unfluff the tree? And it's actually fluff it up. So I'm just gonna make it nice and fluffy, because they're always squished. There we are. So lots of amazing goodies. We actually have another amazing parcel coming up our way, and this time it is gonna be a Christmas stuff, and I am so excited. Because we get a beautiful white Christmas tree. We get some decorations. This is actually quite a lot of flowers in here. So that's just 2 packs. And in 1 pack we've got 6 branches. I'm not gonna probably unfluff them. Unfluff. How? I don't know. I just like this word. There we are. And I'm also glad, guys, that you do enjoy that we unboxing videos, which I'm producing for you with all the goodies, all the collaborations. And I am always trying to be as much honest as possible about this stuff. So this vase, actually this flowers looks pretty good in that vase. I'm surprised now because I thought it is not gonna be enough, like, but I can see it is absolutely enough. So we've got beautiful flower vase with some autumny flowers and all the rest of the goodies. I give you the link in the description of this video for all the stuff, together with the discount codes from SHEIN, and I'm sending you huge glittery hacks and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!